Hi mga foodies! So welcome again to another madelicious cooking demo with me, Chef Randy. Yan. So today, tuturuan ko kayo ng bagong recipe for your traditional burgers using this ingredient and of course, ang ating chef selection Angus burger patty. So ano pang hintay nyo? This one is perfect sa mga nagnenegosyo na gustong kumita ng extra and of course to level up your own menu. So tara, let's go! So let's make first your Hawaiian dressing. First, combine the dressing ingredients starting off with your Magnolia real mayonnaise, teriyaki sauce, honey, and your cayenne powder. Mix it well until fully incorporated. Don't forget to check the video caption for the full recipe. Cover and refrigerate until ready to use. Next, heat oil in a pan. Cook frozen chef selection Angus burger patty for 5 to 6 minutes per side. Yan, nakikita nyo na the juiciness of the Angus burger patty and it is fully seasoned, kaya no need to add seasoning sa inyong burgers. Place 2 Magnolia QuickMelt cheese slices on top and transfer to a plate. Then don't forget to cover with foil to keep the patties warm and the cheese melting. Set it aside. Next, discard burger drippings from the pan and melt your Magnolia Gold butter unsalted. Place buns, cut side down, and toast for 1 minute or until lightly brown. Once the buns are toasted, it's time for us to assemble. Spread Hawaiian dressing on bottom half of buns, then top with lettuce, patty, bell peppers, onions, and sliced pineapple. Cover with the remaining half of buns to make sandwiches. You can use wooden skewers to secure everything. And there you have it, ang ating Hawaiian burger using our chef selection Angus burger patty. Yan, so nakita nyo naman, this is perfect everyday, pang all day, and syempre sa mga gustong magbenta or gustong kumita using our product. Don't forget to check the video caption para sa full recipe ng ating Hawaiian burger. Or better yet, sa mga naghahanap ng marami pang madelicious recipes, you can visit our website which is www.homefoodie.com. You can follow our social media accounts. Yan, meron kami Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. It's at Home Foodie. Makikita nyo kami dyan and iba pa namin ginagawa just for you guys, okay? So again, I'm Chef Randy from San Miguel Foods Culinary Center and thank you for watching this madelicious cooking demo for you guys and hope to see you again soon and bye! Sarap! To purchase your favorite San Miguel products, visit the SMC Hub at thehub.sanmiguel.com.ph.